Welcome back, mathematicians. We have been learning about comparing word problems all week long, and you guys have been doing wonderful. Thank you for using your models and your equations and really thinking through your problem. Let's go ahead and look at our learning target for today. Our learning target is I can solve comparing word problems by using a model and an equation. We have gotten so good at using those when we're solving to show our thinking. Today, we are going to continue to learn how to solve different types of problems. We've learned how to compare. We've also learned how to compare in a different circumstance, like yesterday's problems. Let's try another type of problem. I am going to share my screen so that we can both learn together. In this problem, it says Ricardo has 6 fewer balloons than Giselle. Giselle has 18 balloons. How many balloons does Ricardo have? Before we get started, make sure that you have all of your materials ready. That includes a paper and pencil or a marker and board. And if you need manipulatives, please be sure to grab them. When you're ready, we'll continue. Hit pause and then hit play. Are you ready? Great. Let's go ahead and look through this again. Ricardo has 6 fewer balloons than Giselle. So who's going to have more balloons, Ricardo or Giselle? Let's think about what the problem says. Ricardo has 6 fewer balloons than Giselle. That's right, Ricardo will have fewer because it says that he has 6 fewer than Giselle. So there is a very important clue. He will have less than Giselle. He will have 6 fewer. Giselle has 18. Well, that's important to know because now that I know that Giselle has 18 and Ricardo has 6 fewer or 6 less than that, how many will he have? Giselle has 18. Ricardo has 6 fewer than that total. So how many balloons will he have? Go ahead, use your thinking, write an equation, and then show me your model. What strategy are you going to use to help you solve this? Hit pause, and when you're ready, hit play. Great job, mathematicians. I heard 18, which is what Giselle has, minus 6 will give me what Ricardo has. Because Giselle has 18 and Ricardo has 6 fewer, so that means I need to subtract 6. I did see a misconception. I saw where someone had put 6 plus 18 equals the unknown. Can someone tell me why would this be a misconception? Turn and talk to your partner, and when you're ready, hit play. That's right, guys. I wouldn't say 6 plus 18 because it said that Ricardo has 6 fewer, not more. So I don't want to get those signs mixed up. I know that she has 18. Ricardo's going to have 6 fewer. So using what we know about solving these types of problems, how would I solve it? What did you do to help you solve this problem? Great thinking. I saw where someone used their comparing way. They put the 18 and then they put their 6 fewer. They compared, and that let us know how many that Ricardo had. He had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Because 18 minus 6 is 12. I also saw someone use a number line. They started at 18 and they minused out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when they stopped, they were at 12. So Giselle had 18 and Ricardo had 12 because he has 6 fewer. Great thinking, mathematicians. Let's try another one. Our second problem says, Latasha has 11 fewer hats than Emily. Latasha has 11 fewer hats than Emily. So if she has 11 fewer hats than Emily, who will have more hats? That's right, Emily. It says Emily has 17 hats. How many hats does Latasha have? Let's think about what we know. We know that Emily has 17. We know that Latasha has 11 fewer. There's that word again. Latasha has 11 fewer hats than Emily. I know that Emily's going to have more hats because she has 11 fewer. So what type of problem or equation could you write to help you solve? Go ahead, get your equation written, and then try one of the models or strategies that we have used. When you're ready, hit play. Great job, guys. So I know that Emily has 17 hats. I know that Latasha has 11 fewer. So when it says that she has 11 fewer, are we going to be adding or subtracting? That's right. I'm going to be subtracting because if she has 11 fewer, then I know that she has less. So I'm going to minus 11 to find out how many Latasha has. I saw a lot of different models happening. One of the models was you used 17 counters. So there's 17. Then I saw you draw 11. Since she has 11 fewer, I'm not going to add those numbers together. I'm going to match them up. And what is the difference? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 17 minus the 6 or the 11 will give me 6. I saw someone use their number line to help them. It takes a while sometimes to write out your number line, But it's important to go at a speed that's helpful to you so that you don't skip any numbers. Because if you skip numbers on a number line, it may mess up your problem and you may get the problem incorrect. So if she had 17 and I know that Latasha has 11 fewer, I'm going to hop back 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I minused 11, and that left us with 6. I know that since Emily has 17 and Latasha has 11 fewer, 17 must be a whole, and this 11 is a part. So someone could have used a part whole to think about their problem. We know 17 is how many Emily had. Latasha had 11 fewer. So what I want to know is the difference. I know that 11 plus that other part is going to give me the whole. I know that the whole minus 11 will give me my part. I know that the part plus 11 will give me my whole, or that 17 minus the part will give me 11. This is what we call a fact family. So if I'm at 11, I'm going to count on until I get to 17. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now once I get to that 17, I need to stop counting because that's my whole and I don't want to go past our number. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 11 plus 6 equals 17. 6 plus 11 equals 17. 17 minus 11 equals 6. And 17 minus 6 equals 11. Great job today, guys, with comparing and looking through your problem for evidence on how to solve it. You guys did great with your learning. I want you to continue to think about what the problem is asking and really think, are you adding, subtracting, and what you're trying to find. Good job today, mathematicians, and I will see you next time. Have a good day.